Number two tip is what makes you feel confident. Or you feel like people are complimenting you more. Number one tip as a stylist, I do not ask people to go shopping.
I'm feeling different. I'm on my way to change. I'm feeling different. I'm not alone, but feeling strange.
So when you audit a wardrobe, you will see recurring patterns.
Keep on coming back. Cannot stop dancing in the dark. Of my mind. Cannot stop dancing in the night. I keep on coming back.
So most people think finding their style is shopping more, but as a stylist, I would love to give you guys some tips, of how to find your style preferences. And if you anytime open your wardrobe and feel like you have nothing to wear, then this video is for you. Most of the people think, did you press a record now? Yeah. So most of the people think that when you are finding your style, it is always to go to more shopping. So anytime clients come to me, they ask me, where are you going to take me shopping? The first thing I say, no, let's go check out your cupboard. And that's how we get to know what is your style. So remember, step one is audit your cupboard. So when you audit your wardrobe, you will get to know there are certain patterns that are recurring. Whether you are choosing prints or whether you are choosing bold colors, whether you're going for neutrals, whether you're picking out your heels, or whether you're picking out some shoes, boots, or any kind of preferences. So every time you check out these patterns of the recurring preferences, you will get to know that your style is hidden in your cupboard. Step 2 is find your confidence. I do believe that confidence comes when you wear an outfit. A lot of people compliment you the most, you feel comfortable, and also it is something that you can pick out of the blue again and again. So remember one thing, that confidence sends you signal about that can be a style preference that you prefer, or something that you haven't noticed that is something your style. First, let me go through this because I finished it, and then I'll come back and tell you tip number 3. So number 3 tip is, what do you always go for? Like for example, if you want to find out whether you are a fast fashion person, a premium brand person, or a luxury brand person, that also shows your style preferences. For example, if you're always shopping at the Zara's and H&M's or Gap, that means that you are going for fast fashion. If you're going for a little more premium, that is for example the Nikes, the Adidas for sports, or even fashion like COS, or even like Allen Solly, Van Heusen. So that means you're a little more premium kind of a person. And if you love choosing quality over quantity and buying luxury items like your Gucci's, your LV's, as well as any kind of like premium brand where it does not labels don't matter, but you are putting a high ticket on the quality of the product, that shows you what kind of style you prefer, whether it's fast fashion, it's premium, or it's luxury. that also tells you what your style hides. So especially when you know what you gravitate towards, it kind of makes it very easier to know what your style preference is. Last but not the least, I would say that knowing your body type. I mean, not many people study your body type. Knowing what looks good on you, like certain things make your shoulder look better, or knowing the proportions or your body types. For example, some people do not like showing a lot of waist or their hands, but also going for a little more detail and knowing what kind of a body type you are, whether you are an inverted triangle, you're a pear shape, you're a rectangle, or you're an hourglass, will help you understand your style better. And also next time when you go shopping, pick style in more way. So if you like these kind of videos, like, share, subscribe, and if you guys want more styling tips, please comment down below.